Santosham. Today, we are going to do Parivrtta Trikonasana, also called Revolved Triangle Pose or Twisted Triangle Pose. Parivrtta means twisted or revolved, Trikona means triangle, and Asana means pose. Now, let's do the pose. Stand on your mat in Tadasana. Keep your shoulders in line and your fingers pointed towards the floor. Take a deep breath and with a jump, spread apart your legs to your sides, about 3.5 feet. Inhale. Now raise your arms to the sides. Turn the left foot about 90 degrees to the body and the right foot about 60 degrees. Exhale and bend forward, bringing the right hands towards the left foot. The right palms can be touching the left foot or the toes. It can also be placed on the floor next to the foot, depending on your flexibility. The left hand is raised straight, pointing towards the sky, with the fingers pointing upwards. The gaze can be faced upwards, looking at the raised hand. You can hold this pose for about 30 seconds to a minute with normal breathing. Now breathe in and raise your right hand from the floor. Rotate your upper body back to its normal position and come back to the starting position with your hands at shoulder level and the palms facing down. Exhale. Repeat the pose on your right side by turning your right foot 90 degrees to your right side and your left foot 60 degrees to your right. Place your left palm on the floor near your outer side of your right foot. Hold this pose for 30 seconds with normal breathing. To come out of the pose, inhale, raise your upper body back to its original position and bring the toes in front and the arms by the side of your body. Exhale and come back to Tadasana. This completes one round. You may do as many rounds as desired. Thank you for watching. Santosham.